Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when I am bike riding, I want to be totally aware of my surroundings. And that's where these MEACHOW rear view bike mirrors have become essential to me. I love riding bike where I live, but there's no designated bike lanes, and there is quite a bit of traffic. So I really want to be able to see if there's any vehicles coming up behind me while I'm riding my bike. Before getting these mirrors for my bike, I always felt nervous and uneasy, not knowing what was behind me. Being able to look and see exactly what's there helps me to feel so much more safe and so much more in control. They're really easy to adjust while I'm riding, so I can get them at just the right angle, and they have that perfect amount of tension in the joint so that they will stay exactly where I put them. They were really easy for me to install. I didn't need any fancy tools. I just needed the proper size Allen key and I was good to go. I find them to be the perfect size, they're compact, and they don't block my view while I'm riding. I found that once they were installed, they totally feel like they belong on my bike, they don't look awkward, and the style of them blends right in with my handlebars. Thanks to these mirrors, I feel so much more prepared for the upcoming bike riding season. But that's just my point of view.